Alright folks, let's dive into the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 multi-cooker at $139.99, and this thing is absolutely crushing it with 4.6 out of 5 stars from an incredible 61,185 customer reviews. That's some serious social proof right there. This 6-quart beast features 9 cooking functions including pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, sous vide, steaming, sterilizing, warming, rice making, and yogurt production. What really caught my attention is the intuitive design with dedicated cooking time, temperature, and pressure indicators that keep you updated in real time. No more guessing games. The easy release steam switch ensures fast, safe steam release every time, and the detachable power cord makes storage incredibly convenient. The ProGrade 18/8 stainless steel cooking pot with anti-spin, tree-ply bottom is perfect for searing and sautéing like a professional chef. Customer satisfaction is through the roof, with users consistently praising the 15 one-touch smart programs that handle everything from hearty soups to decadent cakes without any guesswork. The 1000-watt power delivers up to 70% faster cooking compared to traditional methods, and the 6-quart capacity serves up to 6 people perfectly for family meals and meal prep. The chrome finish looks absolutely premium on any countertop, and the fact that it's dishwasher safe makes maintenance a breeze. On the downside, some users mention that the sous vide function, while convenient, doesn't offer the precision temperature control that dedicated sous vide machines provide. A few customers also noted that the learning curve for pressure cooking can be intimidating initially, and the unit does require adequate counter space at 12.2 inches by 13.39 inches by 12.99 inches. But honestly, with over 61,000 positive reviews and Amazon's choice status, this is clearly a proven winner that delivers consistent results for home cooks of all skill levels.